Good evening, welcome back to our atomic periodic table classification of elements. So, we will see some of the questions and typical answers. This thing. Now, question is the how many liquid elements are there in the periodic table? So, 112 and all we have seen. The answer is 2. Then next question is what are they? Then what are they is one of the liquid is mercury. Mercury is a metal, it is an exception. And another liquid is the bromine in the halogen group, that is in the 17th group. Okay, so these are the some of the typical MCET or whatever the some set questions. Next, in the periodic table, about 2/3 elements are what? You see S black is first one group, first group and second group, both are metals, and the transition elements in between around 40 are metals, and some of the lanthanides and actinides are also metals. So 2/3 elements are metals. The answer is metals, non-metals and metalloids. You can write. So if you know the correct answer, then you can write the other 3 or 4 whatever you want and all. Okay. Then the next question is how many gases are there in the periodic table? The total is 11. The 18th group 6, then fluorine, chlorine, oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen. So that is the answer. The next one is halogens are placed in the same group because they are more electronegative. Is it correct answer? No. They are non-metals. Is it okay? No. They are most reactive. Is it okay? No. They have 7 valence electrons in the outermost, that is P. That is the P5. P5 and S2. That is total together is 7 electrons. So they are kept in the same group. That is the 17th group. Okay, next. Modern periodic table is based on the atomic weights, atomic numbers, proton numbers, and many. It is in modern day as the atomic numbers. And who has invented that? Mostly that is the work done by most of the work done by Moseley, not the Mendeleev. Mendeleev has atomic weights and all these things. Then Hunds, Sast and so many people. Moseley has given the X-ray spectroscopy. Because of X-ray spectroscopy, it is the atomic number which is the responsible for the periodicity, and the valence electrons are the responsible for all the chemical reactions. Okay, right. In the modern periodic table, how many groups and how many periods are there? So that is also a question. Number of periods is the 7. That is the hydrogen 1 period, second is lithium, beryllium group period, sodium, magnesium 3rd, potassium, calcium and bromine, krypton then 5th, 6th, 7th, like that. Total 18 groups are there. So remember and by heart this thing. Then in the longest periodic table, most of the non-metals are placed under the left side. These are periods, metals, S block, and then in transition elements are all the metals. Then some aluminum, gallium and all some metals and all. See in between nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and all that. So they are all on the P block. So they are placed under P block. S block, P block, D block, F block and all. So answer is P block. General formula of the transition elements is, what is the general formula? S is completed, then D is coming. D is 1 less than the N number, principal quantum number. So it should be the N S2 ND minus 110. Is it right? No, because N should be the less. N minus 1 should be. Then NS2 NP6 ND7. NS is correct. NP is not at all there, and ND is also not correct. N minus 1 D varies from 1 to 10, and S is 0 to 2. NS1 and S2 0 to 2 is most appropriate answer. N should be the lesser than the 1. D means 4th means 3D, like that it should be 1 less. If it is F should be the N minus 2. Okay. Transition elements show what are the properties of the transition elements. They are metals, they are paramagnetic, they are variable valency, they are color. So all these things are there for the transition elements for this scandium to the mercury or the other the 50D also, 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D also. So all these properties are for the transition elements. Interesting one is which one is the correct? Iodine and iodine plus, iodine minus. Which is one is correct? Atomic radii. Atomic radii normally will be the positive element will be has lowest, and then the neutral, then minus one. So which one is done? Positive, positive and neutral, and a positive negative is more, then positive, then a neutral, then positive. This is the correct one, because this is having highest radius, then the next one is this one, neutral one, then I plus one is this one. Largest size is the bromine, fluorine, iodine and iodine minus. These are the fluorine family. Fluorine and from the top to bottom the size will be more. So fluorine afterwards chlorine, chlorine afterwards bromine. So fluorine is the least, bromine is the second one, then iodine is the next one, iodine minus, you are adding one more, so iodine the largest size is iodine minus. So like this there will be this same thing can be differently can also asked. So please remember the basic the fundas. Tomorrow we will see some more question answers. Okay, thank you.